guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time. Happy New Year to everyone. It is 2020 now. It's been 2 months since I posted my last video. I apologize. I know some of you are been waiting or don't even know that I still exist in this channel. But today's video is going to be a vlog video. I'm going to do some recaps what happened during the holidays because I did filmed a little bit. It was such a short clips. I didn't want to just post short clips, so I'm just gonna put it in this video. So holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Christmas was amazing. You know, spend it with family. It's always amazing. Spend it with friends. We had Friendsgiving. We had Christmas party with friends. It is so amazing and very, very great way to end the year. So I'm going to put some clips. I don't have any clips for the Friendsgiving and Thanksgiving. So we finally had our own Christmas tree in our first apartment. So I'm gonna put clip right here right now. We got that tree in Michael's and we wanted to get a 6-foot tree, but Nikki said that I don't want to be taller than the tree because he's taller. He's 6'2". So he said I don't want to look down or face to face the tree, so I want to look up a little bit. So we bought the tree. I think it's about 6 foot and 6'5". So that's the perfect size of our tree. And we were just decorating it. It was so fun to decorate it. We would always play Christmas music every day, the whole Christmas. We actually put up our Christmas tree after Friendsgiving. Yeah, our Friendsgiving was 2 weeks before the Thanksgiving. So we put up our tree very early. We didn't care because it's our own apartment and we can do whatever we want. Oh my god, the lighting is so horrible. What is going on? But anyway, I just got back from TJ Maxx and I'm sorry guys if the lighting is really bad. It's dark. It's getting dark outside, so I have to use our fluorescent light and it's very ugly. So I went to TJ Maxx. I got Nikki the journal. It's so pretty. I got him this. It's let me show you guys. It's like this. You untangle it or whatever. And look, it's like suede or velvet material. I don't know what that is, but it's a really good price, so I'm not really complaining and no one can really see that. I mean, he's the only one who will be able to use that or see that. And then I got this chopping board. I told myself I'm only gonna go there just to get the not the chopping board, the journal, but I was walking around and I saw this and I just have to get it. It's so pretty. So I was thinking maybe I'm just gonna put it there, or maybe I'm gonna take that cookie jar and then just put it there and make it pretty, because this countertop needs a little change. I have to throw this away. And then I went to Costco. I got milk, some clementines, mandarin, and oh my god, oops. And I got some bread. This bread is thebomb.com. It's so good. It's really good for you. And I got some avocados. I got some eggs, and that's it. That's all I got. I was carrying this. Oh my gosh, it was so heavy. So I can't wait to make breakfast because I have the bread and eggs and avocado toast. Yes. Literally so good. So I'm just going to put that away. Nikki is not home yet. He's still at work. He's a teacher. I don't know if you guys know that, but he does after school, so that's why he gets home a little later than usual. So we're definitely gonna be out with friends. We're gonna go to Korean barbecue, as I mentioned earlier. If I didn't mention it earlier, we're going to Korean barbecue. It's so good. Can't wait. It's our first Korean barbecue for this new year. And I'm pretty excited. They haven't been to the one that we go to. They've been to Cast Iron, and nobody goes to Cast Iron anymore. So we go to the O2 or 02, but I think it's O2. And they have really good food. You have to go there like really hungry. I wanted to have fruits right now, but I just wanted to go there hungry. I know it's not good, but I'm just gonna drink water to kind of keep me full a little bit, or like fill me up a little bit. And yeah, let's just wait for Nikki. So I'm just watching Kristen Johns. I love her. And I'm going to start writing Nikki's journal. Hopefully I finish it. Whoa, okay. I took my headband off because it's giving me a little bit of a headache. I turn on our new lamp. It's so pretty. And I'm just waiting for him, and we're gonna go to dinner at 7. Our friends are gonna pick us up. And it looks like I have highlights on. Ooh. Oh yeah, and I got my eyebrows done finally. It's a little bit oily because after they wax it, they put like oil to like, I don't know why they put oil, I guess to tone down the redness, I guess. But I'm going to start his journal. Hey guys, so this video took me 3 days to film. You guys are a little crooked. So Nikki was supposed to film with us in the end of this video, but it didn't happen because we were busy during the whole weekend, and he's still at work. So I'm not gonna wait for him till later because I wanna use the natural light. So but our announcement is we finally hit a year just being engaged, not married. We're gonna get married this December, so we have probably 340 days left. Let me check my phone. We have the website and tells us how many more days we have left. But we finished mostly everything. We just need to, you know, fix a little bit of like the guest list. We have to finish like those little things. Like my bridesmaids still need to get their dresses. I had to coordinate my bridal shower. I know bridal shower is supposed to be like a surprise, but I want to be involved with it. So definitely my sisters, which is the maid of honor, the matron of honor, are coordinating that. I'm just helping them, just telling them what type of theme I want and stuff like that. But how many more days? Let's see. We have 344 more days. That's so exciting. We're really excited. We're also nervous because, especially me, because I just, you know, most of you know me that I'm very perfectionist, and I try to not be perfectionist, and I try to not be a bridezilla. But I'm trying to be a nice bride here, but it can be very stressful. Like I said, we finished mostly of our planning. We found most of our vendors. We just need florists that can work with us with our budget and stuff like that. We are super excited. Last year, it's 2020 now. How crazy is that? Last year was a lot of firsts. We found our venue. We moved into our first apartment. Everything is literally first. If you followed me on my Instagram, you probably saw my story 2 days before it was New Year's Eve, or yeah, it was New Year's Day. But if you want to check it out, the recap of my 2019 is still on my Instagram. It's on my story. I saved it, everything, so it's on my profile. So check that out. Yeah, that's like the announcement. That's not really it's nothing really like new. You guys already know that we're gonna get married this year, 2020. Me and my sisters are planning my bachelorette party. It's not a surprise again, and we're mostly gonna go on a cruise. Some of my bridesmaids can't come. Some of them, of course, they're coming. And for Nikki's bachelorette party, I don't know what they're doing. Nikki just wants to go to rent a like cabin or like a lake house, something like that. Since we're very easy, I'm really easy and he's easy. Like my sister just wanted want me to enjoy too. Since I love going on a cruise, it's like perfect, and it's somewhat cheaper than regular vacation or bachelorette party that you can think of, because I don't want to go to like a strip club or like I don't know, like a club, stuff like that. I know cruise has some clubs, but it's not crazy. I don't really want to like do that. I'm more an adventurous girl, so I like to do snorkeling. I like to do zip lining, like those things that not really bachelorette party things. I don't know where I'm going from this, but yeah, I don't really like that. But yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to kind of like show you guys what I've been doing. I started to work out again finally. Try to get like, you know, my weight, and I try to get my body toned for the wedding. So yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna be wearing the same